Tuna, for you, what's the most important consequence that comes from the events of the last 24 hours, from the new New Yorker article to the stepping down and to all the statements that we've been reading?
So first off, I think the ouster of Les Moonves does remove some kind of overhang in terms of the ongoing board investigation, which will still provide some finality in terms of what happens. But I think more importantly, I think investors now should be focused on the ongoing strategy for CBS, especially with the resolution of the settlement of a lawsuit with National Amusements and the overhaul of the board, which should be quite welcome given the caliber of some of those board members. So investors, I'd say, have gotten some a little bit more transparency with these developments, but there's still a lot of questions to be answered.
Tuna, the idea that National Amusements won't look for any kind of change in structure or merger or anything like that for at least 2 years, is that a surprise? Why would they agree to do that?
That was, I thought that was something that stuck out for us as well, committing to not pursuing any merger over the next 2 years between CBS and Viacom. So what we said in a note with that regard is that while I think that commitment to take the matter off the table over the next 2 years, we still think that it remains a distinct possibility. Especially with Shari Redstone now firmly in control. What's also left unsaid is whether, even before the 2 years expiration, whether CBS would entertain any type of overtures from potential acquirers, as was reported in the past. I would guess that is also a possibility, especially with the type of board overhaul and board members now that they've added as directors. I sense a much more urgent sense of fiduciary responsibility and accountability.